A car is bought for $12,500 and decides to pay $1,000 down and finance the rest at a rate of 5% over 5 years. Find the interest charge and the monthly payment. All right, so we know that the price of the car is $12,500, but Ann decides to pay $1,000 down. Okay, so we got that 12,500. We're going to subtract the 1,000, right? That's what the down payment is. It's something that you're paying up front. Okay, let's think about this. What does this 11,500 represent? Remember, that's the amount that has to be financed, right? And is going to pay back $11,500. Okay, so what we have to do next is to calculate the interest. Okay, the interest charge or the finance charge. Okay, now for the interest, for car loans, right, we use the simple interest formula, right? I equals PRT, right? So in this case, we're going to multiply that 11,500, okay, times the rate, which is 5%. So let's put that as 0.05 times the time, which is 5 years, okay? So when we multiply all of this together, okay, we get $2,875. Okay, now what does this represent? This is the interest, right? So essentially, Ann has to pay back, right, the 11,500, but also the interest. Okay, so what is that total amount here, right? So the 11,500 plus the 2,875. Okay, so this is going to be how much she's going to really have to pay back. Okay, so $14,375. So then, okay, we know that Ann decides to pay the rest over 5 years, right? So 5 years would represent how many payments, right? Well, we know that there's 12 months in the year, right? So there's going to be 60 payments. Okay, so then the last thing we want to do is we want to take this 14,375, divide that by 60, okay, and then we're going to get the monthly payment. Now, if you do this in your calculators, you can get like 239.5833333, right? Okay, now there are couple things that we do have to do with this, but in this class, we're just going to round this answer. Okay, so the monthly payment then here, okay, so the monthly payment, we'll just round this to the nearest cent, right? Remember, we're talking about dollars here. So $239.58. Okay, so the monthly payment is going to be that amount, and the interest, right? Let's see, we'll put that in red ink here. Okay, so this is the interest. So there's quite a bit of numbers here, right? Make sure you know what each one represents. Okay, so we have this is the purchase price, right? 12,500. The down payment is 1,000. Okay, so this is the amount that needs to be financed. Okay, this is the amount to be financed. Amount financed. Okay, and then we have the interest that we found using the simple interest formula. Then we determined how much had to be paid back. And then we divided that by the number of payments, which in this case is 60. And that means each monthly payment will be $239.58.